Hi guys, let's see if this is possible to do. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of unboxing. So there's this kind of like a book company called the Pen and the Sword, and they had this thing where I'm guessing they're trying to get rid of all old stock. So I paid like 700 something Swedish for a package that supposedly contains an old ammo can filled with random stuff from their warehouse. So let's open up and see if they give me anything fun. I'm not that hopeful. They're really good at selling unnecessary stuff at really high prices, so we'll see. What is this? Commercials, and they have this funny thing where they sell real replicas. So I'm gonna guess that this is the real replica of an AK-47 bayonet. Let's see how the real replica of the AK-47 bayonet is. I'm not really that surprised that no one bought this. So this is some kind of replica AK bayonet. I have several of these, but the real thing, this is some kind of new production. Well, probably made in China. I wonder if it would have fit one of those Chinese AKs. I guess I have to try it. Panzergrenadier Unterhosen. So basically this is men's underpants. Several of them in fact, in different colors with some kind of military theme. Well, that's fun. So what's this? It's in a bag. It's a so the Swedish military for a long time had this a bag like this, but much bigger. Persedelspåse, I believe the name was. So this is apparently a tiny version of it, with some loops inside for stuff, I guess, and it seems to be rubber lined on the inside. I could probably use this to carry ammunition to the range or something. I'm probably gonna be using this. And here's the ammo can. So I'll turn this downwards a bit so you guys can see it when I open it. I figured I'll always get an ammo can. Okay guys, tactical spork. Probably never gonna use this. Replacement, I guess razors for when you shave your beard. Yeah, some kind of razors. I use this, not a straight razor, I have one as well, but I use a safety razor. What is this? What is this? How do you even open this? With violence, of course. Oh, put this on your shirt, like I think it's the symbols for the Panzer Regiment in Sweden. An armored fist with a sword. More underpants. I actually need underpants, so I'm quite happy I got those. Even more underpants. And some kind of med kit. Let's have a look at this and see what this is. Belt loops, that's always nice. And this is filled with stuff. This might actually be useful. I'm not gonna go through all this, but this seems to be a quite a complete med kit. And this is the razor for those blades. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, some kind of razor. Not sure when I'm gonna need this. I might give this away to some friend who has a beard just to troll him. This is some kind of small books. The Soldier in the Field. Oh, okay. I'm gonna guess this is notebooks. I'm gonna guess this is some of those write in any kind of weather notebooks. This is nice. You can use that as when you're out in the field. Some kind of paracord bracelet thing. Let's try that out. It's actually a lot more stuff than I thought I was gonna get. So yeah, you just... Okay, so this is threaded. And then you put it on, depending on how thick your wrists are. And then you just thread it back on, I guess. And you got yourself a paracord bracelet. That's nice. Another notebook. And some kind of military manual, personal material. What to do with what you're gonna do with your gloves and stuff. You wanna cosplay a Swedish military. Probably not ever gonna read this. And one last thing, what can this be? It has one of the crowns on it. Let's have a look at this as well. Where'd I put my knife? There it is. I'm gonna guess it's some kind of pocket knife. Can never have too many of those, I guess. Certainly looks like a knife. So might be able to see it. Look, actually looks kind of nice, and it has the studs to open it. This is actually a really nice knife. I like it. I like knives with a bit of a belly, and it's black. Of course, it's tactical if it's black. Let's. Here you go, people. So look at a nice pocket knife. Not sure what kind of steel this is. It's not marked with the steel. There was no notes in the packaging. So I'm gonna guess this is some kind of shitty, very high in carbon steel. But I really like shitty steel knives because it goes so fast when you want to sharpen them. Usually what I use knives for mostly is skinning animals, and doesn't matter what steel you have in them, they get dull immediately anyway. So if you have one of those shitty steel knives, you can sharpen them up really fast as well. Well, whatever. Guess I'll open bags or something with this. And that was it actually. So quite a few objects in this. Yeah. See what I do with these razors. Okay, have a nice day everyone. And